It will be a delicate balancing act for Kasarani Member of Parliament Njoroge as he seeks to recapture his seat after the court ruled that he has a case to answer in a corruption-related charge. Anti-Corruption Court Chief Magistrate Lawrence Mugambi ordered that graft case against the lawmaker will proceed to full hearing after the Member of Parliament sought to have the case terminated on grounds that the complainant has refused to testify in the matter. The lawmaker is accused of receiving 100,000 shillings bribe on the 3rd of July 2013 to facilitate the payment of 3.3 million shillings being Constituency Development Fund payment for completed tuition block at Babadogo Secondary School. He is said to have received the money from Abdirahman Mohammed Abdullahi. The matter will be heard on the 12th and 13th of June. Also, the Council of Governors has moved to court questioning the constitutionality of a provision in the Elections Act that restricts party hopping. In the petition filed under Certificate of Urgency, the Council of Governors argue that by denying members of political parties the right to freely move from one political party within the deadline for political parties' primaries without any reasonable restrictions limits the right to political participation and association. They want the court to urgently dispense with the issue of the constitutionality of Section 28 of the Elections Act. The acts provide that a political party that nominates a person for an election shall submit to the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission a membership list of the party. In the case of a general election, the party shall submit its nominee at least 120 days. The Council of Governors argues that the clause limits the freedom of association of Kenyans provided for under Article 36, Section 1 of the Constitution that guarantees every person the right to freedom of association, which includes the right to form, join or participate in the activities of an association of any kind. Parliament passed the Election Laws Amendment Act 2017, which commenced on the 30th of January of this year. Under the new laws, independent candidates are expected to submit their nomination forms to IEBC at least 60 days before the polls.